What if your home could move with you? What if comfort, safety, family space, and futuristic design all rolled on four wheels, ready for any destination? Well, Toyota just turned that dream into reality. This is the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus, your home, your hotel, and your travel partner, all in one. Welcome back to Car Flair, the channel where vehicles aren't just shown, they're experienced. Today, we're stepping into a camper bus that doesn't just carry people, it carries lifestyles. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota Camper Bus looks sleek, aerodynamic, and modern. Something between a luxury touring coach and a smart mobile home. A full panoramic windshield, slim LED front strip lighting, floating roof design, and digital side mirrors make it look futuristic and premium at first glance. The long body features automatic slide-out sections that expand your living space when parked, transforming it from a bus into a mini house. Now, as you enter, the magic unfolds. The interior feels like a cozy studio apartment, soft leather seating, wood-textured flooring, and warm ambient lighting across the ceiling. The lounge area has a convertible sofa, flip-up dining table, and a wall-mounted cinema-style smart TV. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, giving you a beautiful view of mountains, forests, beaches, wherever your road leads. The kitchen is not just functional, it's intelligently designed. You get an induction stove, smart refrigerator, pull-out countertop, microwave oven, deep storage cabinets, and even a digital water level monitor. It's like Toyota wants you to cook real meals, not just snacks. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, fitted with a rainfall shower, modern toilet, mirror storage, towel warmer, and proper ventilation. It doesn't feel like a camper bathroom. It feels like a compact hotel space. Moving to the rear, you enter the private bedroom. Soft lighting, memory foam double bed, side reading lamps, and charging ports make sure your nights are just as comfortable as your drives. There's even a skylight above the bed for stargazing on quiet nights. But what truly makes this vehicle special is its technology. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, with a curved control screen showing battery levels, solar charging data, tire pressure, navigation, and camera views. The steering wheel has touch-sensitive controls, and the captain seats offer heating, cooling, and even massage. Toyota's advanced driver assist includes adaptive cruise, lane centering, collision alert, blind spot monitoring, and trailer control. Powering this motorhome is Toyota's latest hybrid power unit, offering silent drive, strong torque, better fuel economy, and off-grid capability. Roof-mounted solar panels recharge the house batteries, giving you days of energy without plugging in. With strong suspension and stable handling, the ride feels smooth, whether you're crossing hills, highways, or winding countryside roads. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus the perfect mobile home for family travel and outdoor living? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Flair, where dream machines come to life.